Let's get straight to the point. First, I will convert the platform to WebGL. Then, I'm going to unzip this file that I uploaded for you to Google Drive. Copy this folder to the Assets folder in Unity. This folder contains the Facebook template files. In Player Setting window, type the company name, product name and choose an icon for your game. Set the default canvas width to 640 and the height to 1136. Then, choose FB template. Set light map encoding to low quality. And finally, choose this option in Enable Exception setting. Now I will build the game. After build is completed, I'm going to zip the files. I will go to the Facebook developer site and create a new app. Choose Instant Game option. Choose a name for your application, then click Create App. I will avoid filling in game settings for now and click on the Setup button for Instant Games option. Now, we move to the web hosting option to upload the game to the server. Now, I will upload the zip file of the game. Locate and choose it, then click Upload. After the process of uploading and scanning is completed by Facebook, press the star button to select the latest version of the game. Click Play. Congratulations, you have uploaded your game on Facebook successfully. I want to note that you must now complete your game details and settings to submit for review. It may be rejected, but there is also a chance of it being accepted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Goodbye.